I want to show you a real Fiverr seller who's making over $500 per month selling AI logos. These are all AI-generated logos he's made from scratch using an AI tool. Let me explain how it works. You can use an AI logo maker to generate hundreds of AI logos in just a few clicks. Then you can sell these logos on Fiverr, which has tens of millions of buyers, many of which are willing to pay good money for professional-looking logos. And you don't even need any graphic design experience since AI will take care of the hard work for you. In fact, you can even use free AI logo generators, such as those built into Canva Pro, but if you want to scale quickly and ensure you're getting the highest quality logos, it's worth investing in a dedicated AI logo maker. So here are 3 of my favorites that you can use today to generate high-quality AI logos for your Fiverr gigs. First, we have Looka. Looka is the top-rated AI logo maker in the market. It uses AI to instantly generate logos based on your keyword input. Looka takes your business name and analyzes similar brands to suggest a name for your new business. Now let's test it out. We'll enter in Smart Money Tech and select our industry. Now it suggests a whole bunch of names for us. We'll go with Smart Money Tech Solutions. Then we can choose a template. Let's go with number 9. And now we have a selection of icons. We'll pick the computer icon, and finally we can edit the font. Let's stick with that for now. And voila, we have a logo. Looka generates multiple versions of your logo, and unlike the competition, they look really high quality and professional. Plus, you can further customize your logo by tweaking any element, including changing icons, editing text, and adding elements to your heart's desire. Of course, you can also save your favorite logos and share them directly from the platform. And when you're ready to launch your new brand, Looka makes it easy to download everything you need, including your logo in various file formats, a style guide for maintaining brand consistency, and a mock-up to visualize your logo in action. Best of all, you can sign up completely for free and only pay when you're ready to download your logo. Next, we have BrandCrowd. Similar to Looka, BrandCrowd is another AI logo maker that allows users to generate high-quality logos using AI. However, it comes with its own set of strengths and weaknesses compared to Looka. First, let's talk about what sets BrandCrowd apart. Unlike Looka, BrandCrowd lets you start your logo from scratch by choosing your own name and industry. This gives you more freedom to create something truly unique without having to rely on suggested names and templates. Additionally, BrandCrowd offers a vast library of over 10 million stock photos, graphics, and icons that you can easily incorporate into your logo. This allows you to add visual elements to your logo that accurately represent your brand and target audience. However, there are a few things to consider before using BrandCrowd. Firstly, the platform does not offer unlimited revisions, which means that you need to carefully select your logo options from the start. Secondly, BrandCrowd's pricing structure can be quite expensive, especially if you want to download high-resolution files. Despite these drawbacks, BrandCrowd remains a powerful tool for creating professional-looking logos. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and create your logo quickly and efficiently. Overall, BrandCrowd is a great option for those who value flexibility and customization in their logo creation process and are willing to invest a little extra to get high-quality graphics and icons. Alternatively, you can use Canva's AI logo generator. You can use Canva's logo generator to create high-quality logos by simply entering a name and tagline. And you can either use it completely for free with watermarks or pay for the premium version to remove watermarks and access more features. So now that you have some AI logo generators to work with, it's time to put them to work for you on Fiverr. To get started, visit Fiverr.com and click on Become a Seller. You'll then need to create a Fiverr account and complete a brief registration process. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Click on Create a Gig to begin. For this example, we'll call our gig Professional AI Logo Design. Next, we'll upload our logo examples generated from our AI logo generator. Once that's done, we can set our price and packages. We can also offer additional services like social media kit design, brand guidelines, and more. Finally, we can add a description of our gig, including details about our design process, turnaround time, and any guarantees we offer. Remember to use relevant keywords throughout your gig description so that buyers can easily find your services. After that, you can publish your gig and start receiving orders. The great thing about selling AI logos on Fiverr is that you can often reuse your designs for multiple clients. This means you can create a diverse portfolio of logos using just a few AI tools. To stay organized and maximize efficiency, it's important to keep track of your clients' requests and the designs you create for them. A simple spreadsheet can help you manage your projects and avoid accidentally delivering the same design to two different clients. To ensure client satisfaction, it's crucial to understand their needs and preferences before starting your work. Ask questions about their business, target audience, and desired style for their logo. Incorporate their feedback throughout the design process and make revisions as needed. By following these tips, you can deliver high-quality AI logos that meet the needs of your clients and help them achieve their branding goals. If you're looking to increase your income, selling AI logos on Fiverr is a great way to do it. The demand for affordable, professional-looking logos is high, and you can fulfill that demand using AI logo generators and your own creativity. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace while earning money doing something you enjoy. Give it a try and see how much you can earn selling AI logos on Fiverr. So now that you have a good understanding of the steps involved in selling AI logos on Fiverr, let's take a closer look at how much money you can make with this business model. The first step is to set your pricing. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $500 or more per logo depending on your experience, the complexity of the project, and the client's budget. On average, you could charge around $25 per order. If you aim to complete 20 orders per month, you can earn a solid $500 per month. It's important to note that building up to 20 orders may take time. So be prepared to start small and gradually grow your business. Once you have an idea of your pricing, you can create your gig on Fiverr. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your title and description so that potential buyers can find your services. High-quality images and videos of your work can also help attract buyers. It's also important to offer competitive prices and packages that include multiple revisions and fast turnaround times. Next, you need to deliver high-quality logos to your clients. Use your chosen AI logo generator to create unique and eye-catching logos that meet the client's brief. Be sure to include all necessary file formats and sizes in your delivery so that the client can use the logo across various platforms. Good communication with your clients throughout the project can also help ensure their satisfaction. Be responsive to messages and provide regular updates on your progress. Ask for feedback and be open to revisions. Positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied clients can help build your reputation and attract more business. Encourage clients to leave reviews and showcase any positive feedback you receive on your gig page. Finally, to increase your earnings, you can explore ways to upsell your services to existing clients. Offer additional services such as social media kit design, brand guideline development, and business card design. By providing excellent service and building strong relationships with your clients, you can set yourself up for long-term success selling AI logos on Fiverr. So, what do you think about this Fiverr side hustle? Is it something you're going to try out? If yes, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Smart Money Tech. Also, please drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. See you guys next time.